How to create faded text with background in Premiere Pro. Click on the New button and select Black Video, leave settings to default, and click OK. Drag the black video above your video in timeline and adjust its size. Select the black video and open up Effect Controls panel. Click on the ellipse mask and adjust the size of the mask. Set mask feather to around 150 and decrease mask opacity until your ellipse looks something like mine. Now with the Type tool, click on the preview and type your text. With the Selection tool, adjust the size of the text and other properties, and in the Essential Graphics panel click on these two buttons to center the text horizontally and vertically. Now in the Effects panel search for Dissolve. Right-click on the film Dissolve and select Set Selected as Default Transition. Select the text and the black video and press Ctrl+D to apply the film dissolve to both of them. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.